Hello, everyone. In this video we'll show you implementation of UART communication functionality using the BearPi board. These are the UART related API interfaces of the BearPi board. Initialize, read data from UART, write data to UART, etc. Other UART related operations that can be performed using these APIs on the BearPi board. We will utilize GPIO5 and GPIO6 for transmitting and receiving UART data, because UART1 corresponds to GPIO pins GPIO5 and GPIO6. By connecting these two pins together, communication can be established. Let's enter VS Code to examine the relevant code. First, let's create the task for UART. In this task, we'll start by initializing the UART. Configure the parameters of the UART, baud rate, data bits, stop bits, and so on. Then, read data using UART functions. Read out this string of data. Send this data to the receiving end through the serial port. Compile the code. Compilation successful. Select the burning file and press the development board's reset button. Enter the serial debugging tool to check. This is the transmitted data. The transmitted data is consistent with the data sent in the code. This enables the self-communication functionality of the Banana Pi, allowing it to send and receive data internally. Connect the two communication pins of the BearPi Banana Pi to establish a connection. Finally, let's take a look at the flowchart of the code to better understand the concept of this experiment. That's all for today. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.